Hello my friends, welcome to Mary's Kitchen MTL. In this video I will show you how to make mini fennel taralli. These are the ingredients you will need. Begin by sifting your flour into your stand mixer bowl. Add the salt and fennel seeds. Place the hook attachment and mix on low speed for a few seconds. Stream in the extra virgin olive oil while mixing. Using a rubber spatula, push the flour towards the center. Continue mixing. Stream in the lukewarm white wine while mixing. Once again, bring the flour towards the center. Mix on medium speed until the dough comes together and wraps itself around the hook. This will take about 2 to 5 minutes. This dough is elastic and smooth. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius. Line 2 baking racks with parchment paper. Transfer the dough onto your work surface and knead it for 1 or 2 minutes. As you can see, this dough is very manageable and will not stick to your fingers. Cut small pieces of dough weighing 35 grams. Shape into thin ropes measuring 7 inches or 18 centimeters long. Then bring the ends together to form a ring. Press the ends together firmly to seal. Place on the lined rack and continue shaping. These taralli are usually boiled and then baked. I am not boiling them, but rather spraying them with water just before placing them inside the oven. The sprayed water will guarantee a smooth and shiny finish. Set the tray on the 5th oven rack. Bake in the preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes until golden. This recipe produces 25 to 26 mini fennel taralli. I hope you will enjoy these satisfying and crunchy treats. They can be stored for up to 2 weeks at room temperature in an airtight container. I hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. I appreciate your support. See you all in my next video. Bye for now.